So with this video, I'm gonna show you on how to use the tool that is called a clone stamp tool. So clone stamp tool from the word itself, clone meaning nagka-copy siya o nanggagaya o nag-imitate ng area na gusto natin. So minsan makaka-encounter kayo ng ganitong image na cropped yung ibang area ng picture. So gagamitin niyo na lang yung judgment niyo kung gusto niyo i-edit na lang yung part na cropped kung let's say maliit lang naman. So para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap ng ibang picture. So just click this icon, the clone stamp tool, and then itapat nyo lang dun sa area kung saan yung part na gusto nyong gayahin. So I'm gonna click Alt. So mapapansin niyo yung cursor, nag-iba siya. Nagbago siya para siyang lens. So just click on the area while pressing the Alt key. The area that you want to copy. And then mapapansin niyo na you can actually spread out that same area on top of the area that you want to copy. And you just have to keep on going and kind of like painting the area. Oops. So that's not what I want to do. Oops. Wala siya. Balik ko lang ulit. And then I'm just gonna copy this part. Click Alt. There. And then dahil gusto ko maging round, kukunin ko yung area na round na yun at ilalagay ko din dito. So it's actually look funny when you look closer, but it really doesn't matter when you zoom out of your image, especially, so medyo mabagal yung computer ko ngayon. So especially when you make that whole picture tiny. So like in this case, I'm gonna make him small relative to the bridge. So there. So with this size, hindi na importante kung ano pa yung itsura ng kamay niya. Right? So kaya nga magandang gawin yung ganitong klase ng editing sa mga maliliit na mga images kasi hindi na yun mapapansin. So there, that's how you use the clone stamp tool.